Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's answer the big question right now. Why did Donald Trump just buy a ton of ONDO? This is one of the cryptos that I'm most bullish on in 2025. If you look at kind of what we have going on within David Sachs, the new head of the crypto czar, if you will, and then this influx of cryptocurrency within the United States-based crypto companies, so on and so forth, it is all pointing in the bullish direction, and that's what we're going to talk about. But Donald Trump, his backed World Liberty Financial, has just bought 342,000 ONDO tokens. Let's talk about why in this video. Okay, so before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Currently live from the Super Bowl in my hotel room, but crypto never sleeps. So let's get into it. Let's talk about it, and let's first and foremost dive right into the crypto bubbles, and that's what we're going to be talking about. Okay, and this is important because this has been a week where we have not really seen too much action in the positive direction, and what I'm referring to is we had a couple days where we did string together green surging charts, but this has been one where we have been kind of flashing the red more so than not. Okay, so here we are, guys, looking at it, and if we want to pull up ONDO on the screen, this is one of the cryptos, though, shining bright, up 4.8%. I was actually out doing my thing last night, got my alert from Coinbase, and ONDO was up, trading up 5%, defying the rest of the market. So something that you can look for, and this is not financial advice. I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto, but when a cryptocurrency is showing strength during other times of weaknesses that we are seeing in the market, that's something that does lend its way into a characteristic for me to buy that said crypto. But what exactly is going on with World Liberty Financial? Let's get right into it. This is what we're looking at. 342,000. Okay, so whether or not you like Donald Trump, you don't like him, you're indifferent, it quite frankly doesn't matter. Okay, and the reason why is because crypto is moving, and if you are globally based, United States based, it doesn't really matter because with what they're trying to do with making the United States the crypto strategic stronghold of the world, the capital of the world, like he likes to say, that's kind of what we have moving. I do think that, in my personal opinion, that has not been well received globally. I know it's bullish for everybody, but within kind of the conversations more macro, within trade wars, tariffs, the thing that we have seemingly looking to have to deal with now within Gaza, there's a lot of moving pieces within politics and what he's doing in the short few days that he's been in office that for a volatile digital asset market, there's not really much time to kind of let things digest and react accordingly. So that's kind of how I feel about it. But as we look into kind of ONDO more at face value, World Liberty Financial is expanding their crypto portfolio. Now, the reason why, you have to kind of understand how David Sachs is, and all this kind of comes full circle with ONDO. Also, what they're looking to do within the financial sector, within tokenizing real-world assets. The ONDO chain is going to be a very, very key player. It's actually kind of why I loaded up the bag on ONDO. Just got a couple more thousand that we did buy before the news with what I heard a rumor about something last week. And a lot of times, guys, it is already priced in. Please keep that in mind. So if you're reading something that just comes across your feed, stream, or even if I'm talking about it, most likely the heavy hitters in the institutions have already priced that into the chart. Okay. But when we look into kind of what's going on, that's $245,000 worth. Okay. Now, they swapped 470,000 in USDC for 342,000 ONDO tokens, okay, following up a purchase of 245,000 that we had 2 months ago. So they're loading up the bags. Now, you look at kind of what the World Liberty Financial actually owns. I show you guys this graphic from time to time, and I think it's relevant if I pull it up right now. So let me do that kind of on the fly. And here we are. Okay, so this is kind of where I'm going to pull up this graphic if we can ever get there. And boom, right here. Okay, so if you can see on your screen, you can see what I'm talking about. And this is where you can see in the overlapping made in the United States, World Liberty Financial, okay, and then just slightly outside the Coinbase 50 index and the Grayscale Trust. But World Liberty Financial, they are buying ONDO, and that's kind of what the centerpiece of this video is. And if you want to find out more about American-made cryptos, this is a very good token landscape illustration that does allow you to understand that. Okay, so if we get back into the article, this is something where you see that they transferred these tokens to Coinbase Prime. That's something that's more positioned for holding and potential trading, but more so holding, in my personal opinion. Okay. Outside of ONDO, they've also acquired Tron, Wrapped Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So pretty much you can kind of read between the tea leaves which cryptos Donald Trump's dabbling into. But ONDO, this is something where, after announcing the ONDO chain on the 6th of February, this is something where you look into what they're going to do institutionally, possibly with government in terms of DeFi space. I think that this will greatly support the ONDO global markets and really going to bolster their presence and footprint within the United States stocks, bonds, and ETFs, okay? About the launch of this going down, Nathan Allman, CEO of ONDO Finance, says, financial markets are overdue for an upgrade. We are creating an ecosystem that bridges the best of traditional finance with blockchain technology. So that's kind of what they're doing. What the trilemma is that all cryptos like to solve, essentially tokenizing of assets, helping with costs, helping with efficiency, and obviously security. So that's kind of what ONDO sets out to do. But this is something where if you want to get more so in the technical analysis of ONDO, we will talk more about that in a different video. But this was more so me just telling you guys I'm bullish on ONDO. Trump's buying ONDO within World Liberty Financial, and please do not lambaster my comments box by saying it's not Trump buying it, it's his sons or it's his people running his cryptos. That's completely true, but we're going to just talk about it in terms of just the overall presence, the entities buying ONDO, and that's kind of why I made this video. So appreciate you guys all tuning in. We will be back for more. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you all in the next video. Cheers.